Good day, ma'am, sir. My name is Rodaline Fonseca. I am separated. I have one son and he's 12 years old. I live in Cataran, Cagayan, Philippines. My work experience, they are take care of the kids, newborn girl, and 3 years old girl. I do cooking, preparing the food, cleaning, washing the dishes, washing the clothes, ironing, gardening, and take care of the pet. And I'm willing to learn to cook Chinese food, ma'am, sir. If you choose me as your helper, I finish my contract. Be honest, be obedient, long patient, trustworthy, and hardworking woman. Thank you, and God bless.